You are tasked with managing a Microsoft Teams environment where you need to perform two administrative actions for Team 1. First, you must install App 1 to Team 1. Second, you must restrict all users from accessing App 2. You need to identify the correct administrative role and configuration area to perform these tasks while maintaining the principle of least privilege. The options for the administrative role are Option A, Application Administrator. Option B, Office Apps Administrator. Option C, Teams Administrator. Option D, Teams Device Administrator.
The options for the configuration area are Option E, App Setup Policies. Option F, Manage Apps. Option G, Teams Settings. Option H, Teams Update Policies. To understand this scenario, consider the specific needs of managing an application lifecycle within a collaboration environment. The challenge is to identify which specific role has just enough permissions to control these tasks without over-provisioning access, and which administrative area specifically handles app permissions and installations. In my view, the correct answer is the Teams Administrator role combined with the Manage Apps configuration area. The Teams Administrator role is tailored to provide the specific permissions required to manage Teams-related settings and applications within Microsoft 365, adhering to the principle of least privilege by avoiding unnecessary access elsewhere. The Manage Apps section within the Teams Admin Center is the designated place to block applications, like App 2, at the tenant level, and manage application availability for teams, such as Team 1.
Other roles, such as the Application Administrator, offer permissions that are far too broad for this specific requirement. Additionally, settings like App Setup Policies are primarily used for pinning apps to the user interface, rather than controlling access or blocking apps entirely. When preparing for this exam, remember to look for the most specific role available that aligns with the task, as the goal is always to follow the principle of least privilege.